Okay, this video is going to demonstrate the process for creating a Autodesk Inventor model of the rib for an airfoil. We're going to start by looking at how to save the image of an airfoil. So over here I have pulled up some images of a Piper Cub J3 airfoil. I'm going to select this one here. Next I'm going to open up a full version of this image by right-clicking and select Open Image in a new tab. Now the image is open in a new tab. I'm going to click on it again and click Save Image As. I'm going to save that image to the desktop on my computer. There's the name of it. USA 35B is the name of the airfoil for the Piper Cub. Okay, now that that image is there, we're going to switch over to Inventor. If you don't have Inventor already open, you can find it in your program list. If you click here on the Windows button, scroll down, open up the Autodesk Inventor list, find Autodesk Inventor Professional 2020 English. When you open it up, if this is your first time in Inventor, you'll see this screen. Click the Start Working. In Inventor, this is your home screen. On your home screen, we're going to create a new part. While that new part is opening, what we're going to do is we're going to go through the process to copy the image that we downloaded as an airfoil profile. We're going to talk about how to put the leading edge on, and the cross pieces that will start are spar and shear web. Okay, now that you're in Inventor, we're going to go here to Start Sketch. We're going to start a sketch on our XY plane. So you have three planes that are going to come up. When you click Start Sketch, when you move your mouse over, they'll highlight. We're going to click here on the XY plane. Once we've clicked the XY plane, we'll see that we've switched from our 3D model to our Sketch tab, and that our ribbon at the top of the screen shows sketching tools. The first tool we use is Image. Now remember, we saved our image to the desktop on our computer. If we go to Desktop, we scroll down, there's the image. Select Open. We're going to click to place that image. Once I've done that, I'm going to go over here to the right, select Zoom All, and then hit the Escape key on my keyboard because I don't want more than one image. The next thing I'm going to do is draw a chord line. Now you notice on the image there's already a chord line there. I'm going to use the Inventor tool to draw a line over top of that. We're going to zoom in on the back, which is also called the trailing edge of our airfoil. Select the back of the chord line on the image, zoom out using the mouse, zoom in with the scroll wheel, and put the other end of that chord line right there. Okay. Once again, hit the Escape key. That'll close out the line tool. Now that we've set that chord line, if you look at your instructions, you'll see that this airfoil profile is supposed to be 6 inches in length. We'll click our Dimension tool. We'll select that line, drag down. Once we click a second time to place that line, we'll have a box show up that'll allow us to dimension, and mine is hiding right now. I'm not sure. There we go. There it is. And we're going to type in 6. Press Enter. Okay. Give things a second to catch up. You'll see that if you've drawn that directly over top of the image and placed it the way I've demonstrated, the image should resize with the line. If it doesn't, you're pretty early on. I would go ahead and just restart that process, place the image, resize the line. Now we're going to trace the outside shape of the airfoil. Underneath our line tool, if we click the arrow and come down, we'll find Spline Interpolation. It's going to fit a curve to specific points. The point we're going to start with is the one that we created when we made this line the end point. We'll click there, and using that spline tool we selected, we're going to start to select a series of points along the length of the airfoil. Let me zoom out a bit while I do that. And up along here. Okay, we're about to reach the end of this recording, so you're going to do this all along the end of your airfoil and then finish at the back. I'm going to pause the recording and I'll pick back up here in a second with part 2.